We are discussing about GATE 1994 ECE paper, and this is one more question related to electronics. Channel current is reduced on application of more positive voltage to the gate of depletion mode N channel MOSFET. Is it true or false? I am reading it again. Channel current is reduced on application of more positive voltage to the gate of depletion mode N channel MOSFET. So first of all, we should know the N-channel MOSFET construction, and from that one we can finalize whether it is going to be the statement given is true or false. So if you observe this one, this is going to be the depletion mode MOSFET constructional diagram, and it is drain characteristics, that is drain or output characteristics, drain current versus drain to source voltage for a given VGS. Okay, so depletion mode N channel MOSFET is going to be having a permanent channel initially, and later by applying a control gate voltage we can remove that channel so that can be act as off switch. So a depletion mode MOSFET, because of its permanent channel, it generally called as normally on transistor. If you want to make it as off, at that time the depletion channel, that is the channel has to be removed so that there is no current flows which act as off switch. Okay, so how much voltage you have to apply, whether it is positive voltage or negative voltage, to the gate such that the channel is going to be removed. So if you apply, this is what the gate terminal, drain and source. Okay, so this is gate. If you apply positive voltage over gate, at that time that attracts negative charge carriers. Okay, this is N channel depletion mode MOSFET, and the channel is consisting of N minus charge carriers, that is nothing but lightly doped N type. Okay, if you apply positive voltage at that time, it can attract more number of electrons, because positive charge attract negative charge. Negative charge in p-type substrate is nothing but minority carriers, which are electrons in p-type substrate. So the electrons from this one, that is minority carriers from this one, they will be attracted towards this one. The electrons from this p-type substrate will be attracted, and that will be settled towards the silicon dioxide layer. Just silicon dioxide layer is going to be acting as insulator, so all these attracted electrons are going to be accumulated just below this silicon dioxide layer. Okay, so the diffusion channel is going to be increases if you apply more positive voltage. If the channel increases, at that time more current flows. So to reduce the channel or to deplete the channel, at that time we must apply negative voltage, so that the negative voltage is going to repel the electrons from the diffuser channel, so that electrons will be repelled as you are increasing the negative voltage. At 1 voltage, the channel is completely depleted with the electrons, that is nothing but no electron will be present. By that time it acts as off switch. So if you apply more positive voltage, at that time current increases. That also shown with the help of this characteristics. Look at the drain characteristics. So drain characteristics, or it is also called as output characteristics, it is output current versus output voltage. Output current is drain current, output voltage is VDS, drain to source voltage. Look at the voltage magnitudes. If gate to source voltage is at 0 volts, even though you are not applying any gate voltage at that time, because of permanent channel there exists a drain current, so that is the drain current, it is given with this one. Okay, and next, if you are going to be giving the negative voltages, by that time as you are applying negative gate voltage, electrons from the diffuser channel repels, so number of electrons in the channel gets reduced, so current reduces, so the curve is going to be coming downwards. If you apply more positive voltage, it attracts more number of electrons from the substrate, so that current increases, it is going upwards. So if you apply more positive voltage to the gate, at that time current increases, it won't reduce. So the answer is false. Thank you.